Hey, it's Fly and Jacinda for Compare Foods Charlotte. And just in time for back to school, we want to make your shopping experience quick and easy. You don't have a whole lot of time? You got a lot of mouths to feed? Well, Compare Foods Charlotte has a brand new website to make it easy for you.
Yes, make sure you check it out. Are you ready? CompareCLT.com. It is super awesome, new and improved. And here's the thing, you want to choose your favorite store that you always go shopping to, and then step number 2, create your account. You have to create your account because we made it really easy for you. You can shop by department to pick out all your favorite foods, and if you're like us and you find yourself buying the same items over and over, just click that little star icon and you can add it to all of your future shopping trips. And last but not least, you want to save some money, Fly Tie?
I do.
If you found some items in the weekly ad, you want to add those to your shopping cart, you can do that too, Fly Tie. Let's go.
All right. Okay, Jacinda, do you have everything in your basket?
Yep, I'm good.
Well, here's the cool thing. When you order online at CompareCLT.com, they make it quick and easy. You can order anything you want, put it in the cart, and they'll deliver it to you if you live within 5 miles. Or you can set a time where you can pick it up. They'll do it for a small cost. Either way, you'll get what you want when you need it.
I like it. Super easy. And now one thing that's my favorite aspect about the website is you can check out new recipes and fun cooking videos for inspiration. So you can switch it up when it comes to mealtime and add in new recipes to your family's lineup. Another thing, you can follow Compare Foods Charlotte on social media straight from the website. Just click those little buttons, follow and subscribe. So the website is really amazing, but you haven't seen anything yet. Check out the app. It has all the same functionality, but now it's in the palm of your hand.
That's right. Compare Foods wants to make your shopping experience quick, easy, and fun. So go ahead and start shopping right now at CompareCLT.com. It's Fly Tie and Jacinda for Compare Foods TV.